Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. Welcome all to our channel Demo Medico to Divine Master. In our channel, I will be focusing on homeopathic subjects from organon, materia medica, philosophy and practical aspect of the homeopathy, how homeopathy can be applied, and also the clinical diagnosis of diseases, disease in clinical study, pathology, causation, that is etiology, and complications of the diseases. These are all the things I will be dealing with in this channel. So if you are interested in these subjects, please subscribe our channel and also share to your friends and family members. Today's subject, friends, there is a common problem in all the old age and the middle age people, that is arthritis. So today I want to discuss about arthritis and I will tell in detail about the arthritis. What is arthritis? What causes arthritis? What is the pathology involved? And I will also talk about homeopathic aspect of arthritis. Finally, I will discuss about the homeopathic treatment aspect of arthritis. So first of all, arthritis. What is arthritis? How we can define arthritis? Friends, arthritis is nothing but the inflammation of the synovial joint in the body. Arthritis can occur usually in two major parts of the body. There are two types of arthritis usually we will be seeing in the practice. One is rheumatoid arthritis, another is osteoarthritis. These are the main two types of arthritis usually we see in the clinical practice. Osteoarthritis is because of the old age. Rheumatoid arthritis is because of many autoimmune diseases. These are the main forms, but there are another 2-3 forms which are found in clinical diagnosis. That is, gout is one of the type of arthritis wherein uric acid will be increased. Due to that reason, synovial inflammation of the joints happen in the body. This arthritis usually target hand joints, foot joints, knee joint, ankle joint, and even spondylitis is one of the place wherein arthritis can affect. Also, there is one major thing which is happening in the arthritis is there will be family history of arthritis which also give rise to the arthritis. So I have defined what is arthritis, what are the parts affected, and causation. If you come to the causation of the arthritis, one very basic cause is increased uric acid in the body, one, and books tells that, or our literature tells that there is no exact cause of the arthritis which we can find and tell. So arthritis is idiopathic, or there is no much cause which is traced. Only two causes, that is family history is one of the cause, and another is stress and strain of the joints. Like if you are working more, physical exertion is more, and an athletic who is always his job is to run and win the marathon or any other competitions, they are much affected by this arthritis. And another one more important cause of arthritis is, friends, autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases cause arthritis in any part of the bodies. This is about the causation of arthritis. Then, what are the signs and symptoms of arthritis? So, these signs and symptoms of arthritis are majorly pain in the joints, restriction of the movements in the joint, swelling of the joints, stiffness in the joints, redness in the joints, and the joints will become inflamed and warm to touch. These are the few signs and symptoms of arthritis, friends. So this is all about this arthritis, that is definition, causation, signs and symptoms, and I will talk about this homeopathic aspect of arthritis. In homeopathy, we take a person in his totality and we individualize the person. Due to that reason, we will not focus on a joint which is affected or the inflammation of the joint as the cause of the disease. We will go and study the human being or the individual in his totality, that is mind aspect, body aspect, his emotional aspect, his physical stress and strains, his habits, his hobbies, and a total picture of the medicine or the total picture of the individual suffering person is taken. So in this condition, homeopathic has a good scope in treating this arthritis, because when you focus on a bigger level, the cure is possible and the root cause can be addressed and the patient becomes much relieved and he will be getting cured of the arthritis. So in arthritis, we not only give this local medicines, or we will not only relieve the patient, many a times total pathology or the manifestation of the disease only will disappear. So this is the homeopathic aspect of arthritis, friends. So in homeopathic treatment, if you take into consideration, as you know, we will focus on the totality of the symptoms. If the totality reaches Rustox, Bryonia, Belladonna, and there are many other medicines which will affect the joints. One is China is one of the good medicine, and cinchona bark, that is cinchona bark, and there are so many other medicines in homeopathy which will focus on the individuality of the patient and the symptoms. Depending on that, we will give the treatment. So treatment is this much, friends. So as you know, in homeopathy we don't give any specific medicine for arthritis. We treat a patient as a whole. So these are the few medicines what I have lined up in the channel, that is Rustox, Bryonia, Belladonna, Merxol, and so many other medicines can also suit the patient depending on his required medicine. So this is all today, friends. How you feel about this arthritis session? So if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and comment in the section if you have any doubts. So I will answer these comments. So this is all today. We will meet you in the next session, friends. Thank you.